Gold arrival confirmed. Move it to the melting zone.
Handle it steady. This gold becomes history. Purity, 99.99%. Approved for melting.
Temperature steady at 1064 degrees Celsius. Perfect for melting.
Begin the melt cycle.
Look at that. Pure molten elegance.
Airflow perfect, say zero contamination.
Mold temperature stable. Filling is smooth.
Set to cool coming, let it transform.
Solid, clean, and ready for shaping.
Surface smooth, no impurities detected.
Perfect weight. Move it to shaping. Next stop, precision cutting.
Load the specs, 0.2001 millimeter tolerance.
Case cutting at full precision.
Edges are flawless. Continue.
Laser intensity optimized.
Rotation stable. Next stage ready.
No micro scratches. Approve it.
This is where beauty begins.
Cleaning complete. Move to movement assembly. Dry cycle stable.
Let's build the heartbeat.
Jewels secure. Smooth motion guaranteed.
Every micron matters.
Alignment perfect. These gears run the heartbeat of Rolex.
Stability check. Woos, zero vibration drift.
Escapement in. This controls every second you live.
Use just 4 nanometers. That's luxury level precision.
Smooth rotation. That's exactly what we want.
This is why Rolex survives life's impacts.
Rotor weight, trimmed to micron steel. Perfect.
No friction. That's the smooth Rolex feel.
Plus 1 second per day, exactly where we want it.
Zero deviation 6, extremely good.
The movement remains stable, thermal expansion under control.
Seal it, Faisal. This movement is officially Rolex quality.
Rotation's perfect and fade out. Friction is minimal.
Clean jewels mean decades of smooth running.
You polish it until it shines back at you.
Amplitude stable, power efficiency confirmed.
70-hour reserve. Excellent.
Cleared for casing, not a single particle allowed. Send it to casing, treat it like treasure.
Every one of these powers a $50,000 Rolex.
Gold stuck perfect. This will make a flawless watch case.
Yes. Every curve is milled to micron accuracy.
We polish it by hand. Machines can't match our finish. Brush marks aligned. Signature Rolex finish achieved.
Serial engraving, crispness and all them. Authenticity locked in.
Offset 0, dial print is absolutely perfect.
Only flawless stones på 17 vägs. That's Rolex standard.
Loom, evenly applied Daukne-Clade. Glow will last decades. No dust, no speck. Age, dial approved.
Hands cut to exact thickness, flawless.
Coating applied high, glare reduction is perfect.
5 points symmetrical. That's the Rolex identity.
Threading smooth. Waterproofing depends on this.
Gasket placed. Essential for deep sea protection.
Crystal sealed Vuhi, airtight and perfect.
Dial aligned, no degree off.
Hands centered to us, no wobble whatsoever.
Movement secured. This watch comes alive now.
Torque perfect. Waterproof guarantee holds.
This is what craftsmanship looks like.
Pressure set. Let's see if this beauty holds.
Holding steady, no leaks detected.
Crystal seal is flawless.
Temperature at peak Clanties. Alloy consistency is perfect.
Thickness, uniform Magrezzi, ready for link cutting.
Every link identical, engineering perfection.
Surface flawless. That's the Rolex shine. Satin lines aligned. No visual breaks. Pin tendency strong, zero slack.
Crown logo crisp, crisp. Perfect depth. past maximum pull. Exceeds standards.
Fit is seamless. Watchmaker. Zero gap tolerance.
Looking for 2 seconds. Let's monitor.
Consistence perfect across all positions.
Oscillation clean and sharp.
Zero imperfections. Approved.
Past rugged shake cycle.
No magnetic interference detected.
Certified. This piece is ready for the world.
Final adjustment, the bracelet is perfectly balanced.
No dust, no prints. Sealeth, it must be flawless.
Protection secured for transport. Protection secured for transport.
Documented. This Rolex is officially traceable.
Each box must match Rolex's standard, micron, no exceptions.
Cushion centered. Now it's ready for the watch.
Perfect placement. Feels like royalty.
Serial confirmed. Warranty secured.
Sealed, ready for the customer.
Everything secure. Dispatch ready.
Welcome in. This is where luxury lives.
Every detail shines under perfect lighting.
A Rolex isn't worn, it's experienced. Waste.
Timeless, powerful, unmistakable.
Each piece tells its own story.
If you love this journey, there's more coming.
Your support helps us keep creating premium content. Hit subscribe. Don't miss our next factory exploration.
Smash that like button. It really helps our channel grow.
Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay inspired.